In Photoshop, go to File, New, and we're going to create a document that is 6 inches, make sure it says inches by 300 pixels per inch. Leave the RGB color 8-bit the same and change it to transparent. You'll have to put your mouse inside there and scroll in order to get those other options to come up. And then create. So here's our blank piece of paper. Now we're going to go to the brush tool, which is this tool right here. Make sure that your color is set to black so that that foreground color is black. For your brush tool, we want it to be 100% hard. So drag your slider until it reads hardness 100%. And your brush size should be probably somewhere in the vicinity of between 30 and 35 pixels. From there, take your pen and you're going to draw your name, write your name. So take it, try and fill your whole piece as you can. So I'm going to pretend this is my signature, okay? If you don't like it in your history panel, just come back to where it was new, start again. So maybe this time I'll do it like so, and I'm going to nicely do my name. And when you get a good one, that's when you want to stop. So pretend this is a good one. I'm not using my pen, so it's not very good right now. Then we're going to take our text tool. Text is this tool right here. Your text tool, we're going to click somewhere up top, just click and type the words photo by. Now you can highlight that and you can grab this T that is right here. You can also change your font right in there. But if you grab this T, if you click and hold, you can see that I'm sizing it. So just size it how you want so that it kind of flatters, your name is a little bit smaller. When you move your mouse outside of it, notice it changes to a 4-headed arrow. So you can actually just drag it and tuck it in a little bit through there. When you're done, top bar up here, we are going to hit that check mark key. If it's really bad, you can cancel out of it with that do not enter sign. So I'm going to check mark. And now I'm going to crop my photo. So the crop tool is this tool right here. If I choose the crop tool, what you want to do is you want to just drag a box around what you're going to keep. Leave a little bit of white edge on both sides, like all 4 sides, so that you have it just the way you want it to be. And when it's good, check mark at the top again. Now we're going to save this thing twice. First, we're going to save it out as a Photoshop document. So File, Save, put it into your H drive, call it Signature. I'm going to call mine Signature 1 because I already have one. Leave this part to say Photoshop document. Make sure you are sitting in your H drive, and you can go ahead and save that file. And then when this comes out, just say OK. And then we're going to save it a second time as a ping file. So File, Save As this time. You can still call it Signature 1, but this time change this dropdown to be a ping. That will maintain the transparency so that we can use this file in other places. So Signature 1, ping file. Again, I'm checking to make sure I'm saving into my H drive, and you can say Save. When this comes up, just say OK. That's how you make a signature that we will use for a watermark on all of our photos.